वचत थंय कोयरा विल्याचो प्रश्न हाताबाहेर चल्ला. आता नव्या प्रकल्पांनी आपल्या लोकवस्तींक वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट व्यवस्था स्वता आणि सक्तीन करपाची सरकारान पंचायतींक फरमान काढले. कोयरा विल्याक सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट युनिट सक्तीचे.
This is all for new units which are coming up. For more than 4 units coming up in any panchayat area, then those particular construction who are doing the construction, those people will be responsible for managing their garbage in consultation with the local self body, that is the panchayat. And if this system is not in place, we will not be issuing them either the completion certificate or the construction license itself when it comes to the panchayat, because it is the responsibility of the panchayat and we will take penal action against the panchayat as well.
पंचायतीचेर नजर दवरपाची बिडिओन कोण नेम पाळटात पाळिनात ते खंय बिडिओ पळयतले.
For management of garbage, for segregation of garbage, for managing garbage scientifically, BDO is responsible as the nodal officer. He obviously does it with the secretary, so they will be held responsible. They will not be able to clear any project unless this is put in place.
कोयरा विलो कोणाकूच आपल्या शेजारा नका ही गजाल खरीच, मात पंचायत खात्यान हे फरमान ग्रीन ट्रिब्युनलाच्या निर्देशा उपरांत काढला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.